almost all animals of our planet have bilateral or two-sided symmetry of the body. This means that their body can be divided into two almost mirror image halves along the axis from the head to the back of the body. However, echinodermata, which also include starfish asteroidea, stand out. Their bodies can be divided not into two, but into 5 such mirror parts, and without a clear axis from head to tail. Scientists cannot even agree on what to consider echinoderms to be the front and what the back. For example, some believe that the axis of a starfish runs from the compressed dorsal part to the abdominal part, which contains the organs of locomotion. Others suggest that each of the 5 symmetrical parts has its own axis from head to tail starting from the center of the animal's body. The results of the research force us to look at the idea of the symmetry of the body of sea stars in a new way, since the hypothesis described above turned out to be wrong. In the middle of each of the 5 arms of these animals, a line of cells was marked along which the genes responsible for the formation of the forebrain in bilaterally symmetrical animals are expressed. And closer to the edges of the hands, the genes of the middle brain were actively working. At the same time, only one gene related to body development was expressed at the very end of the starfish arms. All this means that practically the entire body of a starfish corresponds to the head of other groups of animals. Scientists still haven't figured out how starfish got their unusual body structure. But scientists reason that in the past these animals had all the genes needed to form a body, but discarded almost all of them at some stage of evolution. The starfish turned out to be largely a head without the rest of the body. This is indicated by the genetic analysis of these animals, which revealed that the genes responsible for the formation of the head are expressed all over their bodies. But the genes that code for the development of the trunk or tail are almost nowhere. Thanks to this, scientists will be able to better understand the evolution of the 5-ray symmetry of the body instead of the bilateral one, which is more typical for animals.